Yeah, no,
You
leave
want
them
the
all
white
there.
You want
Leave them
the
all
white
there.
one?
I'm gonna call the police.
You want the white one? The
I
white
want all
one?
of
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content. Check this lady out. She tries to come onto this porch and pick out a pair of sandals, but gets interrupted.
Please leave them there. Excuse me, hello?
What?
Leave them
Oh,
there.
you want these? You
No.
want these white ones?
Yeah, no,
You
leave
want
them
the
all
white
there.
You
Leave
want the
them all
white
there. I'm
one?
gonna call the police.
You want the white one? The
I
white
want all
one?
of them.
Okay. Well, I
You're
can't hear
being
you.
recorded, ma'am.
I cannot hear you.
You are being recorded.
I can't hear you.
Have a nice day.
What I say?
Can I help you? Get the fuck off my porch, bitch.
I'm really not sure what the obsession is with stealing plants. This guy gets away, but this lady in the next clip isn't so lucky. This lady pulls up and tries to steal grandma's decorations. Grandma comes out and she isn't playing about her plants.
Can I help you?
Yeah, I just want to see how these work.
They're fine.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, hey. Hey, give me that one back.
I was just gonna take them
No,
and
you're
try
not
them in my
gonna
house
take
and bring them back. I was
No.
just gonna try them in my house.
No, put them back.
I was gonna bring them back. I was just gonna see how they work. Okay,
I
I'm
don't
sorry.
give a shit. Put
Okay,
them
I
back.
just wanted to see how
You're
they work.
stealing out of my
No,
yard.
no, I didn't want to steal. I just wanted to
Get them
try.
back.
Okay, I just wanted to see how they work at my house. What do you think of them? I'm
They're
sorry.
fine.
Yeah, I wanted to see if they worked in my
You
house, and I would have brought them.
order
I should have known. Hey, where'd you get them?
Amazon.
Amazon. Okay.
Don't ever jump anybody's yard.
This lady comes onto this porch looking for her
Can I
man.
help you?
Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments.
Yes, I'm looking for a guy named Peyton Brown.
Who?
Brown?
No, you have the wrong house, ma'am.
Okay, can I show you a picture and can you tell me if you know this guy?
What do you need?
Give me. I'm trying to find some information and I want to know if you know a guy named Bartolome de la Cruz.
No, I don't.
This guy.
No.
Oh, it's because I'm his wife and he's been up here a lot lately and I
Up
just
where?
want to know at this house 3905. That's what the address was pinning.
Not at my house. My husband wouldn't allow anything like that.
Okay, I don't want no problems. I'm just trying to find out if that's the truth because I need a divorce and he's not willing to sign it, and that's what I'm looking for.
Well, I'm sorry, ma'am, but you're looking at the wrong place.
All right, thank you, appreciate it, man.
Don't forget to lock up those bikes or try to bring them inside.
Put that fucking bike back. Put that bike back. That's somebody they going everything.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
This lady scans the package as delivered, but takes it after. Good thing the owner was paying attention.
Oh.
Don't forget to keep those doors locked. Also, don't leave any personal information or valuables in your vehicle just in case something like this happens.
No, it's about time.
Hey, call the cops. Hey, man. Hey, hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. What's going on, man? I'm calling the cops on you right now. I saw you, bud. Yeah.
I see you. Took both of them motherfuckers. I said, I see you took both of them motherfuckers.
Imagine this happening to you every year.
Segura. Service. Park, baby.
Don't forget about those other delivery options: PO boxes, Amazon locker. As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Please be safe out there. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. We've been losing a lot of bikes this summer. Don't forget to lock them up or put them inside.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
What's going on? Yo!
Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.